Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm right here at the Calangute circle in Calangute, and right behind me over there is the Calangute market. So in today's video, we're going to walk around the Calangute market and see what's open. So right now we are in September 2020, and after the lockdown, things have started to open up. So let's just go around and see what's open right now. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, and I do a lot of videos here in Goa. So I'll give you, if you have any questions, if you want any information, feel free to comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you guys. So let's just go and check out what's open, guys. So guys, we'll start off over here, which is the KFC, main KFC building here at the Calangute circle. So this is Dr. Jack Sequeira statue here at the main Candolim circle. And over here we have Cafe Sosegato, which is a very good restaurant, belongs to a friend of mine, and they have really good food. As you can see, the tourists have already started to come here, and if you watched my Candolim video, you must have seen that there are hardly any people there, and there are lots of people over here. So let's just walk around and see what's open. So guys, this is the main area of the Candolim market. Over here you have a lot of stores like these over here, and as you can see, many of them are already open. So they have Royal Foods over here, which is chicken and eggs. If you're staying in a apartment, you can get some cheap chicken from here and you can buy that and cook it yourself. Over here you have all the wine stores that are open. Supermarket, this is also my friend's supermarket, so if you're here, definitely come here. So let's see what else is there. So over here they have a Subway. So this is the main Subway chain here in Calangute. This is the medical store if you need medical supplies. There's lots of biryani places. Every second shop over here is a biryani place. So let's just go over here and see what they have. So they have biryani, they have shawarma. So a chicken shawarma is only 20 rupees, guys. So 20 rupees chicken shawarma, and they have a lot of stuff over here. So let's head on further and see what else they have here. So today is a Saturday, so there's going to be quite a lot of people today. So I'll head on to the side of the street over here. So as you can see, there are many shops open over here. There's many restaurants open, and of course all the wine stores are open over here. So let's go ahead and see. Okay, there are more wine stores here. So life looks quite normal now over here, as Candolim is slowly, Calangute is slowly starting to open up again. So again, guys, if you have any questions, comment below and I'll be happy to answer all of your questions. So we are going to walk all the way up to the main Calangute circle, which is not this one, but at the end of the road. This is the main Calangute bus stand over here. So if my okay, something new over here, this is a very cool thing, is over here they have this hair cutting salon, which is like this very vintage old salon over here. So a hair salon. So if you want to get a haircut, try this place out. So this is the main circle over here, and as you can see, everything is open here. So the stores are open. They have some beautiful cakes here. So if you want to get a cake, you can come here. So the buses are not as frequent as usual, so you'll have it every few times. Over here You have some pani puri place. As you can see, some tourists have started to come back, but it's not as much as before. They have sweet shops. So this is a massage parlor. This is closed. Maybe they closed. No, they cannot be closed on a Saturday, so they're just closed. Over here is the main Calangute fish market. This is one of the best places to click some pictures. Huh? Oi? Oi, Tukatita? Okay, so over here there's customers. I just spoke to some Goan lady, so she said she's a customer here. Anyway, so as I was saying, the market has some nice places to click Instagram pictures over there. And over here you have a lot of stores. So as you can see, the tattoo shops are open again. The cafes. What else do you have here? So there's a wholesale fruit and nut shops. This is another bus stand over here. This is a small bus stop. And yeah, over here they have like this small restaurant over there. So usually at this time of year, Goa is completely packed, but this time it's okay. Not many people are there at the moment, so we're just going to head on to the side of the street. Hi guys, you doing well? Yeah. So we're going to check out what else is there. So these are famous tattoo stores all over the road. As many of you must have already gotten some tattoos here. So this used to be the old market. Okay, there's a supermarket here. If you want alcohol also, you can get it late at the night here. This used to be the old market over here of Calangute, but now it's just small stores over here. You'll just see over here there is some cute. This is something really cute over here. So they have like this little alcohol store over here. Oh, it's Jackyard's Burger House. So they have burgers and a bar. So if you want to drink and have a good burger, they have really good burgers. I've seen them on Instagram before, and a lot of my friends have gone there. Guys, don't mind me huffing and puffing because I'm walking really far over here, as you can see. So there are a lot of foreigners like who have retired and stay in Goa, so they always come to these restaurants and they are like regulars over here. So what else is open here? So these are the wine stores. So this is a tourist. He's seen me on YouTube before, so he stopped to say hi to me. And he also wanted to know how much my gimbal costs. So guys, we are continuing here. I just stopped for a second because somebody wanted to know the price of my equipment which I'm shooting with. So these are the main banks. If you come with foreign money, you can exchange. I mean, you can change with your card over here and then exchange it. They also have a lot of money exchanges here. This is known as the money exchange area, where you have a lot of stores that exchange money for you. They have a lot of clothing stores like these. These are men's clothing. So we have tattoos over here, and it's nice to see foreigners are back here. And yes, so they have souvenirs if you want some souvenirs, and they have bong pipes over there. Restaurants. So if you like some clothing, you can get some clothing here. And yeah, so that is the main Calangute circle. So guys, again, lots of tattoo shops here with some cool designs, as you can see, which they have done for their customers before. And yes, this is the main Kandalyam circle. So guys, that was it from the Calangute circle and the Calangute market area. So let's go on to the Calangute beach next. If you want to watch that video, please check the links below or check out my channel. I have lots of other videos on all the other places here in Goa, guys. So let's get on to the Calangute beach.